What's up, unboxers? This video is meant for people that are shipping a lot on Etsy, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, or any e-commerce platform, and they need a lot of tape. I found one of the best sellers and one of the best listings for shipping tape. Not only is it very affordable, but this tape is also very high quality. Currently on Amazon, there are 6 rolls of this tape, and it's the Doug Max Extra Strength, and each roll is about 22.2 yards, and you get 6 of them for $12.99, which is a crazy, very affordable rate. And I will have a link for these down below, and this is what I use to ship all my orders on eBay and also Amazon Seller Fulfilled and my online store. I got some questions because some people prefer to use gum tape or sticky tape, but this is so affordable, and the fact that you have 6, if you're shipping with multiple people, each person can have a roll and you just don't have a single one, so that's really nice. And the fact that it's so cheap is really awesome, and I found out on Amazon, literally single rolls of this can sell for $6 in the store, so the fact that you're getting 6 rolls of these is crazy. Again, I will have a link down below. The strength is very good. I've packed many packages with this. I honestly only do 1 layer. Sometimes I do 2 depending on the weight of the item. So I hope this was helpful. I just got a couple questions on Instagram about what my shipping material and shipping tape was. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button. Again, there is a link down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.